Hi everybody, Matt back with you. Today I'm still in Luddenden Foot, so it's a different day. It's absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I'm following the river and I'm looking for something from World War II. I'm following both a path and a pipe, but already seen what I'm looking for. Okay, so on this path are a number of air raid shelters. Apparently there's 5 of these. This is the first one I've come to. Let's have a look inside. Quite big, as you'd probably expect. Quite a bit of rubbish dumped out. Oh, dog poo bags. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, so why are there air raid shelters here? So although we are now next to a relatively new housing estate, this was once a big mill, and it was called, I think, British Furtex, certainly at the end. And if you've watched some of my other videos, you might know that back in the 90s I worked at John Holdsworth's in Halifax, and they made fabric for seat covers on buses and trains, etc. And British Furtex certainly did the same, because what used to happen if people got fired from Holdsworth, the next day they'd be working at British Furtex, possibly vice versa. I shouldn't just point that out. But the mill is now long gone. But during the war, they used to make come up with things to use in the war. So these were built in the 1940s, and if necessary, the workers could have run here to escape any bombing, because the mill was officially a target. So we'll move on to the next one. I guess they're all the same. It'll probably just be different amounts of litter. So it's very heavily covered with vines. Sun's covered up, it might mean the kids aren't coming in it as much. Yeah, no rubbish at all in this one. Just a few bits of rock and rubble. So I probably don't need to film all these, because they're obviously going to be very similar. Another one that the vines have taken over. Oop, oop, oop. Don't fall down there. They're cool, aren't they, though? So there's 5 of these all together. Some don't look too bad here. Brilliant. So there we go. Luddenden Foot's air raid shelters. Still here, still in very good condition. Let's hope we don't need to use them